tip. And in this video, what I want to show you is how you can add a web-based chat software directly onto your website. They don't need to install any software or literally do anything, and it'll be there all the time, ready to communicate with your visitors through chat or instant messaging. Now, the reason why this is so incredibly valuable is because the world that we live in right now, it's all about two-way communication. It's not that we're just going to put an ad out or information and just sit there. It's all about social media marketing. It's all about building brand and building value with your clients when they visit your website. And you literally want to have that communication with them, that interaction. You want to be able to answer their question. And typically, if you're selling a product or a service or information, they have one question that they want to ask. And if you can answer that question, boom, they're going to buy your product and you're going to move on. So it's really awesome. I've looked at a lot of different chat type software that you can add to your site. But having a web form on your site and generating leads is one thing, but to be able to chat with them and answer questions and help them out right on the spot, you can't go wrong with that. It's really awesome, and I highly recommend anybody and everybody adds this to their website. So what I want to show you is a software that I found that I actually really like, and it's very simple, and of course it's easy to use. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we need to visit the Digital Fox, okay? And then it's going to be Zopim, and that's the name of the software, Zopim. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. Your guess is as good as mine. And it's going to take you to my affiliate landing page here, and it's really some phenomenal software. And here, I want to run through the features real quick and kind of show you why it's so great. Here, I'm going to zoom in for you. First of all, you can use any of your instant messaging clients. If you have Gmail or AOL, you can use those screen names to actually stay logged in and chat with people live as they visit your website. So that's actually a great feature. The other thing that is really great about it is that it has live visitor analytics. So that means that it will show you where the person came from what page, what country or what city are they in. Have they visited your website before? It'll even pull up chats that you've had with that person before so you can see the conversations that you had. Because what it does is actually stores their IP address, and everybody has a unique IP address when they're on their computer. So it's really some awesome software as far as the stats and analytics, and it can show you exactly who's visiting your site and what they're doing. Okay, and actually, as you can see down here in the bottom right hand corner, they have the software installed right here. And what this is right here that's popped up, it's actually an autoresponder that right when you visit your website, boom, that's going to pop up that message and notify them that, hey, I'm here and ready to chat for you, so let me know if you need any help. So that's basically what they just did for me right here. Another thing that's great is that you can route it to any of your mobile IM clients. So I use IM Plus on my iPhone, and it allows me to be able to chat anywhere on the go. And then of course it has secure chat, and it ranks your visitors by priority. And there's actually one other feature that's in there. It actually has quick auto response. So you can template out quick responses to questions or comments and just hit /HI, and it'll put your whole welcome message in there. So really some great software, and most importantly, if you look at the price, it is very, very reasonable. Right here, you actually start up on the free one, and you're going to get 2 chats that you can do at the same time. So if you have 20 people trying to chat with you, you can only do 2, and you can only have 1 agent. So it's free. You can try it out. It works great. It's going to be a great thing for you to kind of get started and to build that reputation through chat. But I would highly recommend that you upgrade if you're working by yourself to $9 a month, and that'll allow you to have up to 3 IM chat boxes. So that means that you can chat with up to 3 people at once. So that's really great for $9. I mean, you can look all around. There's no software that's chat worthy that's just like this. And then of course, if you have a team, if you have 5 people that you want to kind of spread out with the person at the front desk, or if you have your partner or anybody else that wants to have that, you can do the $39 a month, and you can have up to 5 IM chat boxes. So it's really, the price is perfect. The software is phenomenal. So what I want to do is just kind of show you the dashboard and where you're going to grab the code to add it to your site. I'm not going to walk through all the features because it actually has a lot of great things on it, but I highly recommend that you go in and get the free one, sign up and add it to your site, and then you can spend some time looking around here back at the settings back on the dashboard. So if you come over here to settings, and right here on the page it says paste this code from the box below into your website. So we're just going to copy and paste that. So let's copy that, and then let's go back over to our site, and we're going to log in to the admin of your website. And we're going to come over here to where it says appearances. Okay, and we're going to come down to editor. Now you want to be very, very careful in here because you can really jack up your site pretty easily just by adding a crazy symbol in there. So you just want to be very, very careful. One thing that I would recommend that you do is that you can actually copy the page that you're editing into a text editor or to another file just so you have the code just in case. But come over here on the right hand side and click on header, and you can see this is all the header PHP code. And just scroll all the way down to the bottom, all the way down, hit a couple returns, and then paste that code in right there and click upload. And once that's done, let's just go visit the site. And as you can see down in the bottom right hand corner, we have our chat box already there ready to go. So that's literally how simple and easy it is to add a chat box right to your website, and most importantly, anywhere I go on my site, it's always going to stay there. And if I'm in the chat with somebody and they start visiting your site, which is what you want to do, it's going to remember them, your chat's going to continue to go, and it's really great. And even if they leave your site and come back, the chat will automatically restart, and they'll continue that conversation right where they left off. So this is really a phenomenal software, and I'm excited about what it's going to do for my website and being able to help people to take their website to the next level. So thank you guys very much for visiting me at this WordPress quick tip. I'm very excited about it. I hope you are too. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please use the comment box down below to share your ideas or your questions so that I can get back with you and help you. You know, this is all about community, and your questions and comments will help others down the road to answer their questions, to be able to help them out. And of course, now I have a live chat box down there in the bottom right hand corner. So if I'm online and you want to chat with me, please hit me up. I'd love to help you out and answer any questions that I can. And again, thank you guys so much, and please help me to continue to spread the word about the Digital Fox WordPress quick tips by sharing it on Facebook and Twitter. And I thank you guys very much, and I look forward to helping you take your website to the next level.